guys, so today we're going to make a no yeast naan bread, and they look like this. So this is a very simple and easy recipe. Like there's no yeast, so you can definitely make this at home, and it's so easy. There's less waiting. You can use this as like a flatbread. You can serve this with curry, or you can make it like a wrap, like what I'm doing here. So I'm just putting some tzatziki here, and I have some chicken skewers, and you just put it in the middle. So this is a very good recipe to make, and I hope you guys will stay until the end. Watch the video. For now, let me show you how I made this. So let's get started. Naan bread, I used it to make a chicken wrap. So let's give this a try. The bread is so soft, and it's so easy to make. So I hope you guys will give this a try, and until next time, bye.